Hello parents and children, my names are Judy, Ssemugabi, Bakyayita, and today we are having our Luganda Lesson 8, Essomo Eryomunana mu Luganda. Today we are continuing with our parts of speech. In our lesson 7 we saw that we have 8 parts of speech, but we spoke about one, which was noun. We saw that noun is divided into two, proper nouns and common nouns. Still on nouns, noun has 10 classes. Emitendera jamanya. Class 1 is mu, ba. Mu, ba. Mu, prefix mu represents the word in singular, while prefix ba represents the word in plural. For example, muntu, person, muntu, person, that is in singular. So when we go to plural, we start with the prefix ba. Bantu, people. Bantu, people. Mulenzi, boy. Mulenzi, boy. Balenzi, boys. Balenzi, boys. Musajja, man. Musajja, man. Basajja, men. Basajja, men. Mwana, child. Mwana, child. Bana, children. Bana, children. Class 2 is mu, me. Mu, prefix mu for singular, prefix me for plural. Mutima, heart. Mutima, heart. Mitima, hearts. Mitima, hearts. Muti, tree. Muti, tree. Miti, trees. Miti, trees. Class 3 is lima. Lima, lima. Liso, eye. Liso, eye. Maso, eyes. Mas, eyes. Ligno, tooth. Ligno, tooth. Magno, teeth. Magno, teeth. Class 4 is ki, be. Ki, be. Kitabo, book. Kitabo, book. Bitabo, books. Bitabo, books. Kizimbe, building. Kizimbe, building. Bizimbe, buildings. Bizimbe, buildings. Class 5 is ka-bu. Ka-bu. Kati, like small stick. Kati, stick. Kati, stick. Buti, sticks. Buti, sticks. Katimba, net. Katimba, net. Butimba, nets. Butimba, nets. Class 6 is kuma. Kuma. For example, kugulu, leg. Kugulu, leg. Magulu, legs. Magulu, legs. Kutu, ear. Kutu, ear. Matu, ears. Matu, ears. Class 7 is gu-ga. Gu-ga. Gusajja. Gusajja, man. Remember, we saw up there, we saw musajja. Musajja, still man. But here we say gusajja, man. But we are now describing this gusajja like a big or ugly, Gusajja, man. Gasajja, men. Gasajja, very big men. Gusolo, beast. Gusolo, beast. Gasolo, beasts. Gasolo, beasts. Class 8 is Lu. In singular, we start with prefix Lu. But in plural, we use N or M. Na over ma. For example, lupapula, pepper. Lupapula, pepper. In plural, we start with M. Papula, peppers. Papula, peppers. Luyimba, song. Luyimba, song. Nyimba, songs. Nyimba, songs. Class 9, we start with either N or M. Na or ma. We start with N or M. Tutandikane letter, instead of na over ma. Okugeza, nte. In singular, nte. Cow. Nte, cow. In plural, inte, still. Inte in singular, nte in plural. Nte in plural, which is cows. Nte, cows. Mbwa in singular, dog. Mbwa, dog. Also, mbwa in plural, dogs. Mbwa, dogs. In Luganda, we don't change if it's singular or plural. But in English, it changes. Nte, singular, plural, cows. While here we stay nte, nte. Mbwa, mbwa. Yet here it changes cow, cows, dog, dogs. Our class 10 is 2. So this class, it starts with prefix to, tu, eno teraga bulungi bwa kintu okujjako obulungi bwakyo. This has no singular or plural. It shows how precious the item is. So, for example, tuzzi, water. This tuzzi, because in normality, tuzzi, water is mazzi. But in this class, we are trying to show that this water is precious to me. It's precious to me. Maybe it's the last water I have. So I'll say tuzzi, water. Tuzzi, water. Tunyama, meat. Tunyama, meat. Tuta, milk. Tuta, milk. Tusukali, sugar. Tusukali, sugar. We use these two to show that this item is either very small or very precious to me. 2, it shows precious of an item or that item is very small. You gave me just a small meat. Ompadde tunyama, ompadde ko tunyama tutono, very tiny. So this is what this class represents. 2, prefix 2, to show how precious or how small the item is. This is the end of our lesson 8. Enkomerero y'essomo ery'omunaana. Thank you for listening. Mwebale kuwuliriza. For other lessons you have missed, please find them at my YouTube channel. It's called Judy's Basket. And when you get there, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love that. Thank you so much. Mwebale nnyo. Thank you so much. Mwebale nnyo. Goodbye. Mweraba. Goodbye. Mweraba. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you've learned something out of this lesson. I'm still Judy, Ssemugabi, Bakyayita. Take care. Bye.